Start the tank replacement from the front panel by touching Supplies. Other Supplies tab, and then Replace on the External Tank card. From the external tank, open the two latches that lock the lid. Open the lid by pulling the edge upward and place it on the handle that holds the lid open. Close the tank with the storage lid provided with the new external tank. Close the spring-loaded latch to secure the storage lid. Follow the manufacturer instructions to move the tank to its storage location with the lift trolley. Clean the inner side of the lid with an explosion-protected vacuum cleaner. Bring the new tank to the processing station with a lift trolley. Rotate the spring-loaded latch outward to remove the storage lid. Close the lid and the latches. The HP Jet Fusion 3D processing station indicates a ready status on its front panel.